hello sir, hello everyone. Today, I will be presenting our Laboratory 1 project entitled, my Laboratory 1 project entitled Mini System Integration from Data to Functionality. The goal of this laboratory is to demonstrate the concept of system integration by using two small subsystems that communicate with each other. System integration is important because many organizations use different systems, databases, and applications that must work together in order to achieve business organizational goals. In this project, I create two subsystems. Subsystem A acts as a data provider, which is the JSON file, and subsystem B acts as a consumer or display system, which is I create using HTML code. These two subsystems are integrated using an integration model so that data from subsystem A can be used and displayed to subsystem B. This small project simulates how real-world systems such as school enrollment systems, HR systems, and financial systems share and integrate data between different platforms. So subsystem A is a JSON file that contains structured student and task information. It serves as the data provider. Subsystem B is a web-based application built using HTML, CSS, and a script or a JavaScript. It serves as the consumer systems that retrieves and display the data from subsystem A, which is the JSON file. Subsystem A and subsystem B have different rules. Subsystem A focuses only on storing and providing data, while subsystem B focuses on presentation and user interaction. And also, sir, the integration model that I selected for this laboratory is data integration. I choose data integration because subsystem B directly reads and consumes structured data from subsystem A in the form of JSON file. That's what I'm making. This type of integration is commonly used in real system where applications retrieve data from databases, APIs, or external files without directly calling each other internal function or sharing user interface components. So now, sir, I will demonstrate how the system integration works. First, I will show subsystem A, which is the JSON file. This file contains student information such as name, course, year level, and assigned task. So this is the JSON file. This JSON file represents a data provider system that could be similar to a database or a backend service in a real-world system. Next, I will show subsystem B, which is the website. This website is built using HTML for structure, CSS for design. This is the CSS. Di mo move. So nagamit ang script, sir, kay gigamit na to na for fetching sa data para ang data sa atong JSON is makita sa website sa atong index. So when the website is loaded, the script reads. So ang script, sir, is i-read niya ang JSON file, process the student data, and dynamically na makita nila ning ang data sa sulod sa atong JSON. So example dara, sir, mo ning ato ang website. So nakita diri si Juan de la Cruz, Maria Santos, ug si Pedro Reyes, which is ang naa sa atong data sa JSON. This demonstrate how data integration allows one system to use and present data is provided by another system. So kanina laboratory, sir, is related sa like real world integration needs. So for example, sir, in school systems, enrollment platform, integrate with grading system and student information systems. For example, sir, sa DURSO, like sa para sa atong i-implement na kuan sa clearance bago ron ana sir. In HR systems, employee database integrate with payroll and attendance systems. So pwede po siya sa mga HR systems sir. In financial systems, so financial systems sa mga individual or personal na mga example gusto nimo financial system as a personal nimo. Transaction systems integrate with reporting and auditing platform. So maka-audit ka sa mga like in overall the financial systems. This laboratory activity demonstrate a small scale version of how real world system integration work by separating data providers and consumer systems and integrating them using a data integration model. In conclusion, sir, this laboratory shows how two subsystems can successfully communicate and integrate to transform raw data into useful and meaningful information.